This place has not yet been explored on YouTube, so probably an exclusive video, I will say. So hello, namaskar and a very good evening to all of you. I hope that everyone is doing absolutely fine. My name is Ashish Bhandari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, today we are at Kapdaram Fort. I have been over here a lot of times but have not yet explored the fort. Fort के बारे में तो आप लोगों ने सब लोगों ने सुना ही होगा, देखा भी होगा, but we are here to bit explore it more. But देखते हैं कैसे होता है, क्या होता है. And I'll tell you the story that lies behind the fort a little bit. थोड़ा सा पता है मुझे. And that is that. So मिलते हैं आपको fort में. Okay, so we are at the fort and I've never come to this side. जितना भी गया हूँ मैं उस तरफ से गया हूँ. That is the church. I don't know, somehow this is not focusing properly. Yeah, so that is the church and let's explore this side of the fort. So yes, let's do one thing. Let's count the number of tops we find. So 1, 2. There was one at the entrance. Like बहुत भीड़ है आज. Like too much people today and for obvious reasons it's Sunday. So आप लोगों के साथ मैं भी इस तरफ आज पहली बार आया हूँ. So देखते हैं वीडियो क्वालिटी के बारे में and the audio. Just संभाल लेना because as you all know, if you all have watched my previous vlog, just take a look at the view from here. There is where I parked my bike. This is the one, I don't know what you call that. Okay, the story that lies about this fort as far as I know. Okay, so first it was ruled by the Hindus and the Muslims. उन लोगों के बीच में होता था. Then came the Portuguese. They ruled it over here. They used this fort. Later when the Portuguese went, it was used by the government as prison, I think, as prison till 1955, if I have my dates correct. I just saw Hopping Bugs video yesterday and I think this is the place that he flew his drone from, and this is pretty amazing. This is awesome. Awesome. I'll show you all why. Wish I had a drone. I just wish I had a drone. बहुत बड़ा है यार fort. I seriously didn't knew that this was this big fort. जो काबदरम मैंने देखा था, it was till that place. You can go to that place. I know if you all can see. I don't know this one. Let's try to get there. And आज आपका भाई फुल तैयारी में water bottles लाया हूँ. सिर्फ एक पूरी भरी हुई पर लाया हूँ. That is that. I know. पूरा मुँह काला आ रहा होगा. I'll have to keep it like this because sun इस तरफ है. यहाँ पे पकड़ूंगा तो पूरा काला आएगा. यहाँ पे पकड़ूंगा तो सही आएगा. पर ऐसे तो चल नहीं सकता मैं. So ऐसे ही पकड़ के चलना होगा. Oh my god, the heat is too much man. Like you know, मुझे भनक भी नहीं थी कि इतना बड़ा है वो फोर्ट. I thought कि एक ही किला है उस तरफ. खत्म काबदरम की बात. So I'll show you how big the fort is. I came from that side. वहाँ से होके वहाँ पे. Then there. Then all the way till here. देखते चलते उस तरफ. So I've got company. Probably he knows the way. So one tip, shoes are a must. And one step down and you're gone. Good. It's damn good, man. Amazing. Like this is worth it, man. Like this is actually worth it. So probably he's the guide. What's your name? Shane?
Yeah, all the way from Vasco.
Vasco. So just take a look at this, guys. And I think I'm finally there. This is the entire gang. Probably the company for the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Probably 10 people, right?
Yeah.
So if any one of you all are coming over here, just for your information, you all can go all the way down. Like this is the trail. यहाँ से होके यहाँ से then this, then this, then this, then पहुँच जाओगे आप. So Goa is definitely about the beaches, obviously, but it is more about these scenic beauties that you get to see. So please make sure that you don't litter this like the Shiva waterfall. It is more of a dump yard than a waterfall. Just enjoy the beauty, man. And we are getting baked over here. So final thanks to this guy, Shane. And they'll be leaving now. And I'll be leaving to this place. Hopefully I make it alive. And yes. So bye guys. Yeah. This is probably very risky. तो आपका भाई रिस्क लेते हुए. And as you all know, I am afraid of heights. This looks very risky. मेरी फट रही है. आते समय it'll be a task. But कर रहे हैं अभी. करेंगे. Probably नहीं मरेंगे. It is not that hard to come down. But if I want to go up, that'll be a task because look at this. देखो रे बाबा ये देखो. Oh, ये कैसे climb करेगा मैं? How will I do that? That probably I also don't know. Oh, भाई तो. Dude, this is amazing. I think this place has not yet been explored on YouTube. So probably an exclusive video I will say. I have not at least found any. It's good, it's great, and it's even better because I have water along with me. I have something to show you. It is garbage. अनिकेत भावा येऊपास असलो तू मजा येत असते सारखी उजो पावर कोई नाही परतून घेऊन या. We'll come here again. I was over there and I have done all this and it And as I said, one person, one bag is way more than enough. I think I've done my part. कचरे का डब्बा ऊपर डस्टबिन में. Probably head back home because it is very sunny and I'm tired. So आपको मिलते हैं डायरेक्ट ऊपर. So halfway up. More this much to go. इतना क्लाइम हो चुका है. मैं हूँ. कचरा है. अब चलते हैं. हो गया रे पैर मेरे पूरे दुखने लगे. अभी डायरेक्ट घर जाते हैं. बाकी का पार्ट और कभी अभी नहीं होता मेरे से. धूप बहुत है. इट इज़ कड़क वाली धूप है. कड़क वाली सिर पे पहुंच चुके हैं. देख लो इधर है. सो आई एम फाइनली आप चलते हैं ऊपर को. ऊपर भी बहुत चलना है. तो यही से टाटा बाय बाय. That was all from my side for today. I hope I was able to bring a smile on your face. Thank you for making me a part of your day. I'll see you soon in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye. Take care and stay safe. Bye. नज़ारा देखो.